Hello there from the Contemporary Resort. We're gonna go dine at Steakhouse 71 right there behind us for breakfast. They have seasonal pancakes, which I was hoping for blueberry, but because we are in October, it's gonna be pumpkin pancakes. So I'm still excited for that. We'll give that a try. Then we're gonna park hop over to EPCOT and check out the Moana construction from the monorail loop, because for some reason, like, nobody is doing that on YouTube. There's no like EPCOT crater construction updates from the monorail loop. I don't know why. Seems like a perfect opportunity. Alright, we're leaving the Contemporary. Gotta head over to EPCOT for just a second, do that construction update. But Steakhouse 71 is really good. And it's really not expensive. Like, I dare even say cheap, affordable. It was only like 30 bucks for both of us. Yeah, if you have any discount too, that's gonna help. But it was really good. I saw some of their lunch menu and I cannot wait to come back for lunch. And the music was awesome. It was like jazzy versions of like When You Wish Upon a Star and just classic stuff, but jazzed up. And the art was beautiful. It was great. It was all Mary Blair and 60s and 70s art.
Pictures of Walt?
Yeah, Walt and Roy. It was really good. So I can't wait to go back there for lunch one day.
Just get into the part, you know, one out. Luckily you can. Your seat reclines. When someone pushes you.
Whether it's rocketing back to the Big Bang with the continents of the galaxy, or exploring a whole new city, these moments are sure to inspire. If you're looking for an exhilarating sense of thrill, step into the Mission Express, where you and your flight crew can sign up for one out of this world. And just as you'll be introduced to Tony Restaurant, where you'll complete the and enjoy stellar dining. Just try the idea. Mountains Drive in the creative across one of the most world showrooms, where you'll find representatives making some exciting new adventures around the world.
It's not a long walk at. It's very
Also had to stop in and get what's left of the amazing 40th anniversary Magic Band Pluses. Really cool, and we get discounts on them, so take advantage of those discounts, because 50 bucks for Magic Band, ridiculous. But with your discounts, it's like 30, 40 bucks. It's definitely worth it, especially one this cool. So we're gonna head out. Great little day at EPCOT. The weather's beautiful. Not crazy busy, but yeah, we're gonna have a studios video, getting back to our regularly scheduled Batu Galaxy's Edge videos. I've done like 4 EPCOT videos in a row, which is not like me, not like my channel, because current EPCOT is my least favorite park. But I had to come show it some love on the 40th and the week or so after the 40th. So that being said, though, back to your regularly scheduled Galaxy's Edge and Hollywood Studios vlogs. So until next time, everybody, we'll see you in the future. And until then, I will see you all a little later.